Welcome to the future of gaming, OLED monitors that redefine immersion. Get ready to explore the most stunning OLED gaming monitors of 2025. These cutting-edge displays don't just show colors, they make them leap to life, delivering a visual feast like no other. Whether you're a pro gamer video editor or someone who loves breathtaking visuals, these monitors will redefine your experience. Stick around as we compare features and key specs, helping you pick the perfect addition to your setup. Before we dive in, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest tech reviews and gaming tips. Let's get started. Number 5 is ASUS ROG Strix 27-inch OLED Gaming Monitor Best Value Choice. The ASUS ROG Strix pairs a 2560 x 1440 QHD resolution with a blazing fast 240 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth gameplay and crisp visuals. Its ultra-responsive 0.03 ms response time eliminates motion blur, perfect for competitive gamers. This monitor boasts a 1,500,000:1 contrast ratio, HDR10 support, and a 178 degrees viewing angle, delivering lifelike imagery whether you're exploring lush landscapes or navigating shadowy dungeons. It also offers seamless connectivity with 2 HDMI 2.0 ports and 1 DisplayPort 1.4, while G-Sync and FreeSync eliminate screen tearing for buttery smooth visuals. On the downside, the 450 nits peak brightness may struggle in brightly lit rooms, and the lack of built-in speakers means you'll need external audio. Despite these minor drawbacks, the ASUS ROG Strix is an excellent value-packed choice for OLED enthusiastic. Number 4 is Corsair Xeneon Flex 45-inch OLED Gaming Monitor. Best flexible OLED, the Corsair Xeneon Flex stands out with its unique bendable OLED technology. Curve it to 800R for immersive racing or shooter games, or straighten it for traditional display use. This 45-inch ultra-wide monitor combines versatility and innovation, offering a truly customizable experience. With a 1,500,000:1 contrast ratio, 99% DCI-P3 color gamut, and a 240 Hz refresh rate, the Xeneon Flex delivers precise colors and smooth performance. Connectivity is robust with dual HDMI 2.1, display, port 1.4, USB-C, and USB 3.2 ports. While the 3440 x 1440 resolution isn't quite 4K, and its large size may dominate desk space, the flexibility and stunning performance make this monitor a top contender for gamers seeking versatility. Number 3 is MSI MPG 32-inch QD-OLED Gaming Monitor, Best 4K Value. The MSI MPG QD-OLED redefines 4K gaming with its 3840 x 2160 UHD resolution, 10-bit color depth, and 99% DCI-P3 gamut. Expect explosions, shadows, and details to pop with vivid accuracy. Speed is a key highlight, featuring a 240 Hz refresh rate and a 0.03 ms response time, ensuring motion blur becomes a thing of the past. Its built-in KVM switch and picture-in-picture modes make multitasking seamless, while its adjustable stand offers ergonomic comfort for marathon sessions. However, the absence of FreeSync or G-Sync support might occasionally cause screen tear. For gamers looking for breathtaking visuals and outstanding performance, the MSI MPG offers incredible value. Number 2 is Samsung Odyssey OLED G9, Best Ultra-Wide Experience. The Samsung Odyssey OLED G9 is an immersive dream featuring a 49-inch dual QHD screen with a 32:9 aspect ratio. Its 1800R curvature wraps you in the action, offering unparalleled views for open-world exploration or competitive play. Powered by the Neo Quantum Processor Pro, its OLED panel delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and HDR, True Black 400 for stunning depth and realism. A 240 Hz refresh rate, 0.03 ms response time, and FreeSync Premium Pro ensure smooth, lag-free gaming. Smart TV features and a built-in gaming hub add versatility, making it ideal for entertainment beyond gaming. While bright rooms may slightly impact contrast and occasional VRR flicker may occur, the Odyssey G9 delivers a truly immersive experience for those who crave ultra-wide screens. Number 1 is Alienware 34-inch QD-OLED Gaming Monitor, Best Overall. The Alienware 34 reigns as the ultimate OLED gaming monitor. Its 3440 x 1440 ultra-wide resolution and QD-OLED panel deliver exceptional vibrancy, deep blacks, and stunning contrasts, making it a dream for darkroom gamers. With a 165 Hz refresh rate and a super-fast 0.1 ms response time, motion remains razor-sharp and input lag is practically non-existent. FreeSync Premium Pro ensures smooth gameplay without screen tearing, while dual DisplayPort 1.4 and HDMI 2.0 ports make it versatile for PC and console setups. Minor drawbacks include slightly raised black levels in bright rooms and potential VRR flicker with inconsistent frame rates. However, its unparalleled performance and visuals make the Alienware 34A must-have for serious gamers. Your turn to upgrade. Now that you've seen the best OLED gaming monitors of 2025, which one will you choose to level up your gaming setup? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe,